Maybe. Maybe, where are you? Maybe, are you in here? What? Why are you hiding in this, sweetie? What are you doing in the closet, huh? Oh, fireworks are scaring you. I know. Oh, I know. My poor love. Let me join you. Hi. Hi. Oh, come here. It's okay. It's okay. I brought you my noise cancelling headphones. I don't know if they help much, but in case you want them, I have them with me, okay? Alright, good. No, it's alright. I know, it's the same problem every year. No, not you are the problem, but the fireworks, you know? I know they're loud, and I know they're scary, and yeah, I know you don't like them, so it's understandable, so don't worry about it. Why are you in the closet, though? Oh, okay, I get it. What? No, I'm not gonna call you stupid or whatever, what? It's perfectly understandable. Yeah, well, let's just stay in the closet if you feel safer, alright? Of course I'll stay with you. You're my girlfriend. Alright, I'm not leaving. Well, actually, I will leave for a short second because I would like to get a blanket and snacks if you don't mind. Are you gonna be okay? I'll be gone like 2 minutes at max, okay? Alright, good. Any specific snack you'd like me to get? Alright, I get you that, okay. You just stay safe and sound here, okay? Oh, wait, you can... Here. You can have my hoodie. It's okay. I know, it makes you feel safer sometimes, so I get it. And my headphones are over there if you feel like wearing them, okay? Alright, now, give me 2 seconds. Okay, so, look, I got you snacks. And a blanket. So we can make it cozy and comfortable in here. Until the loud noise is over, okay? It's okay. We can just stay here. And... I'm a bit tired. New Year's Eve is always tiring, you know? It's okay, though. Well, you can cuddle against me. I can wrap us up in this blanket. And we can just stay here and talk a bit and cuddle and just be together until you forget about all the noise out there. Yeah, maybe. No, I just feel very sorry every time I feel you flinch when it gets loud. Well, it's okay. It's, like, I get it. But I wish I could shut off the noise somehow. Yeah, I know. Well, no, I'm thinking about something to talk about. What about New Year's resolutions? I personally think they're stupid most of the time. But, like, I don't know. We could make some fun New Year's resolutions. Like, not the typical kind of, work out more, or become healthy, become, I don't know, the best version of myself. Like, I don't know, fun things. Like, we should definitely go to that amusement park we wanted to go to like 2 years ago. We never did that. We should. You know, this kind of New Year's resolution. Well, what else? My New Year's resolution is definitely you. No, but I know. Oh, I didn't mean it like that. Okay, well, I also meant it like that, but not only. I meant like, I don't know, I want to spend more time with you. Because I know we're both busy people with work and stuff. So, we don't really have time for each other a lot. And that's sad, because I miss you. Even though we literally live together and I can get on your nerves, like, every day. But you know what I mean. So that will be part of my New Year's resolutions. What else? I definitely want to get back to analog drawing more. Yeah, you know, I've been drawing digitally mostly lately because, well, I like the time to do it on paper because, well, I can draw digitally everywhere and not on paper, you know what I mean? So, like, yeah, I can draw at work, I can draw at home, I can draw on the train, I can draw, like, everywhere. But on paper, I have to, like, actually take the time in the evenings and do it. Which I don't think is bad. It might be good for me to do that. But I didn't really find the time this year. But I didn't really find the time this year. Sadly. But it's okay. I'll find the time next year, for sure. Another one would also be to reconnect with old friends. Because I don't know. Yeah, you know what I mean? Like, yeah. Oh, well. Not with them. You know who I mean. Like, no. Yeah, never mind. Oh, jeez. No, but you know what I mean. Well, do you have any fun New Year's resolutions? And, like, don't hit me with, I want to do more sports. Because we both know that's not going to happen. Because everybody says that always and nobody does that ever. Oh, yeah, that is a fun resolution. Well, I get that. Yeah, I do. It's more, yeah. Oh, that's it? No, I'm not judging you. It's like, no, come on. I'm not saying that it's not enough. I think, like, even one resolution would be enough. Like, you know? I don't think you should overwhelm yourself with New Year's resolutions that you can't even hold on to, you know? So, yeah, that's enough. For sure. Come here, you're drifting away. Come here, stay with me. Stay with me. Well, if you're feeling like it, we could start watching a movie or a series now, if you want to. Yeah, here in the closet. Well, no, I don't think that's silly. I think it's a bit funny, but not in a bad way. So it's okay. Like, you want to watch something? Alright, great. Then you pick, and I will... Well, I don't know. I don't think I have to get something. We have the snacks, we have the blanket, we have my phone. So, works. And maybe later, if you feel like it, we don't have to. We can watch the fireworks from inside here, so it's not as loud, and You can put on the headphones, so it's not too loud for you. Okay. Alright, amazing. Then go ahead and pick.